Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to book flights on Cheapflights. So if you also want to book a flight on Cheapflights, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top of the screen. Now type in cheapflights.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Cheapflights. From here you'll be able to book a flight for you. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now over here you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for home, search by date, vacation packages, hotels, flight deals, car rental, travel tips and news. Initially you'll be in the home interface. From this interface you'll be able to find the deals for you. You can see 4 options over here: flights, flight plus hotel, hotels, car rental. Since you want to book the flight, all you have to do is click on the option flights that you can see right over here. Now what you have to do is select the destination that you're flying from. Simply click on this box. Now type in the destination. You'll be able to see the results over here. Simply click on the destination that you're flying from. Also select the destination that you're flying to. Click on this box. Now type in the destination over here. Now here you'll be able to find 2 options: round trip, one way. Select the option of your choice. I'm just going to go with one way. Now what you have to do is select the date. Click on the option date that you can see right over here. Now from here you'll be able to select the date. Simply click on the date you're flying. Now also you'll be able to select the number of passengers. Simply click on this box. You can choose from these options that you can see right over here: adults, students, seniors, youth, children, toddlers, infants. If you're an adult, you can select the option adult. If you want to increase the number of adults, simply click on the plus icon that you can see right over here. If you want to decrease it, simply click on the minus icon that you can see right over here. Likewise, select for other options as well. You can also select the cabin class. You can see the options over here: economy, premium economy, business, first. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now what you have to do is click on the find deals option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now here you'll be able to see the service providers. Select your favorite service provider. After that, click on the view option that you can see on your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be redirected to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find the best deals for you. Wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll be able to see the flights over here. Scroll down. You can see the flights over here as well. You can see departure time. Also you'll be able to see the price over here. If you like this flight, simply click on the select option that you can see right over here. Now here you'll be able to find the departure information. You'll be able to find the date and time over here. Scroll down. Over here you'll also be able to find the information regarding refundable booking. Also you'll be able to see the price. You can continue with refundable booking if you want. Scroll down. Over here you'll also be able to find the baggage information. After you read all the information, simply click on the continue option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to select the seats. Simply click on the seat that you want to select. You can see the information regarding the seat over here. Click on the confirm option that you can see right over here. Now click on the option save and close that you can see right over here. Now what you have to do is enter these details right over here. First of all, enter your first name. Now enter your middle name. If you do not have any middle name, you can skip it. Now enter your last name. Now also select your date of birth. Simply click on the option month. Select the month of birth. Now select the day. Also select the year. Now select the gender as well. Now you'll have to provide your contact information. First of all, enter your email address. Now enter your mobile number. Make sure to select the country code over here. Click right over here. Now from here you'll be able to select the country code. Click on the country code of your choice. Now enter your mobile number. Make sure to enter the correct mobile number. Now scroll down. Here you'll be able to find the information regarding refundable booking. You can get refunds in these conditions that is mentioned right over here. If you want to make your booking refundable, simply click on the option yes, make my booking refundable. If you do not want it, simply click on the option No, continue with a non-refundable booking. Now scroll down. Now here you'll be able to find the section for Flight Watcher. You'll be able to get the SMS alerts on flight updates. You can add the tracker SMS or you can also add tracker WhatsApp. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now here you'll be able to see the price details. You can see the total price over here. Now all you have to do is click on the option Continue to Next Step that you can see right over here. After that you'll be led to Next Step. Next steps are very simple. All you have to do is follow through the prompts, provide the payment details, complete the payment. After the transaction is completed, your booking will be done. So that is how you book a flight in Cheapflights. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.